Hey everybody, Contractor Mike. We're back at the Ted and Deb job, and we are at the rough end inspection stage. We've got all of our electric done. We've got all of our plumbing done. We've got everything where it needs to go, so we're ready for drywall once we get the clear on the, well actually we did get the clear on the inspection. He's been here already and signed everything off, and we did everything right, and we're happy to hear that. So let's start over here, where the fridge is going to go. There's our power to the fridge, there's our water to the fridge for the ice maker. Moving on down the line, we've got our double oven array here, so we got our big feed here for that, for the right power requirements for that. Now up in here, these are going to be inside of the upper cabinet above this unit. This is where they're going to reset their GFI should it ever trip. And we've got it inside the cabinet because we don't want outlets in the backsplash. And what we have is we've got our under cabinet power. These angled strips that go to the top of the backsplash underneath the top of the bottom of the wall cabinet. So there'll be plugs there, but there's no reset on those, and that's why we have to have those. Now this is the low voltage wire. This is actually going to go to our under cabinet LED lights, and they're going to be at the bottom of the upper wall caps here, so it'll shine the light right on the counter here. And down here, that feeds down to here. And then this is where the transformer will be inside of the oven cabinet here, so it will be readily accessible should they ever have to change that out. And again, we've got more under cab lights, the power strip here, come around the corner, another power strip. They're going to have more plugs than what they need on this countertop, but you won't see any of them, which is good. So over here, we fixed all of our vent piping here. It's all laterally the way it's supposed to go here. It's all tied in well. We got new hot and cold. We got our power down here for our garbage disposal and dishwasher, which is going to go here. That's where the dishwasher goes. More under cab lights and another power strip. They're going to have like you know, probably a dozen ways to plug in a small appliance. And so above we've got all our can lights in. As you can see, we're ready for drywall at this point. It's going to look a lot different here in a couple of weeks, or in a week even. And so we see our beam is all put in, nailed in, all done, looking really good. Nice flat ceiling all the way through here, nice big open room. So over here, we've got a china hutch over here. It's also going to serve as a buffet when they have parties and company and all that over here. And so it's going to have lights up in the top, going to have lights underneath, another power strip here so they can plug in like a warming plate or something to keep food warm. And again, we're going to have a transformer down inside of this cab here too. We couldn't run it off of the other one, it was too much for that one. So over here we've got our entertainment unit. It's going to be here. You can see we've got our new fireplace in. We've got the cover off now. We're going to protect that. But you'll notice we've framed this in metal studs, and the reason we've done that is because we didn't want any combustible material around a hot unit. It does get hot to some degree, and so we're just going to preclude any problems there. So we've got our power up here. We have our big flat screen TV up here. We've got all of our cabling pre-wired. It's going to go from here all the way down to where its components are going to be here. And then we plastic all these up because we want to not get sheetrock mud in it and stuff like that. So when the time comes, we can just unwrap and all the ends are good and there's no extra debris on there. And we're going to have cabinets on the other side. He's going to have the speakers in there. He's going to have speakers over here, then nice shelves, and it's going to be really a beautiful unit here. And so the island's all set to go. He's going to have actually two sinks in here. So we've got this all plumbed. We came on underfloor, got our drain. We're going to have what's called a loop vent here, and so that's going to allow the sink to drain down well. We've got our hot and cold, and then we've also got power that's going to go to the island as well. So in here, you'll see we've got our ceiling all framed up. It's higher now. We're up to the 8-foot point. Before it used to hang down at 7'6", I think it was before, and you could just reach and touch it. But now it's all nice and high all the way through, so we've got a nice, more roomier feel as you first come into the house. So that's it for now. We're going to check back in a little while when we get more done, and come back and see us. Thanks.